ThriveCart is starting their Black Friday sales early. I am so excited for this. It is the beginning of November, but we're already doing Black Friday sales with ThriveCart. I've been using ThriveCart since 2023 and have made over $25,000 with ThriveCart, which is absolutely amazing. I love them. I have my courses on ThriveCart. I sell my ebook. I have a membership that I host on ThriveCart. It is absolutely amazing. So, what they're doing is 15% off of their licenses. And I also get you an additional discount for using my affiliate code. And I'll have my affiliate links down below in the description. There's different plans that we're going to talk about today. So I'll have all of those linked with the percentage that you're getting off, how much savings you're getting. And also, if you use my affiliate link, I have a offer toolkit that I've created for you. It's a PDF that's going to be emailed to you, and it walks you through how to create an offer, how to put everything together. It gives you ChatGPT prompts, it gives you everything. I also have a sales page template, which is a Google Doc that's going to walk you through all of putting together a sales page. And I also have a course on how to use ThriveCart, so it's going to show you step by step how to use ThriveCart. I have so much stuff for you. If you use my links for ThriveCart, I believe in them so much. So what they're doing for Black Friday this year is 15% off, which is absolutely amazing. And if you sign up now and connect to Stripe Connect, your account to Stripe Connect Plus, which is new and so cool, you're going to get $5,000 in free payment processing fees. And that's going to be valid between December 2nd and January 31st, 2026. So you're going to be saving $5,000 there in payment processing fees, and you get 15% off. So with ThriveCart, you can, like I said, create courses, create memberships, host everything right in ThriveCart, have your digital downloads, have everything. They have so many landing pages and funnels. They have global checkouts and payments. They have the capability to create your own affiliate program, which is so amazing with Pro Plus, which is what I have. Like I said, affiliate management, so you can increase sales by having other people promote your products as well, custom domain name, multiple order bumps, tax inclusive pricing, automatic sales tax, crypto payments, coupon tracking, QR code checkout, all of these things. It is so amazing. So with the ThriveCart Pro account, it is $790, and then you're going to get $118 off. So it's going to be $671. With Pro, it is an annual fee of $295. With Standard, that is not the case. With Standard, you don't need to pay for that annually, but with Pro you do. This is what you're going to get with Pro versus Standard. I have a whole video breaking down Standard versus Pro, so I'll have that linked for you down below in the description. But like I said, you're saving $118 with this Black Friday sale, which is absolutely amazing. They also have ThriveCart Ultimate Bundle. So the bundle is also a really great saving. And this one, you're going to be saving $147. So this one, it is going to come with ThriveCart. You're going to get the Pro Plus upgrade. You're going to get Learn Plus upgrade, which is where you're going to be hosting your courses. You can still host everything through Learn Plus with your standard ThriveCart license in the standard ThriveCart plan. But with the upgrade, you can automatically transfer over from another course platform, different things like that. They do have some upgrades there, which is awesome. You're also going to get a ThriveCart Launch course, which is a one-stop shop for learning your ThriveCart product. I also, like I said, I have a ThriveCart course as well. So you're going to get both courses and the opportunity to get ThriveCart certified. The Profit Playbook, which is $69. 30 new templates for 2025, which is a $1,300 value, which is awesome. And then a 15,000 member private community with expert coaches and exclusive opportunities to collaborate with businesses of all levels and network within our community, which is so amazing. So all of this total price is $985, and then minus the $147.75, it's going to be a total of $837.25. Then there is a future payment annually of $295 for the Pro Plus platform. Now, if you're going to be using platforms like Teachable or Kajabi or Podia, it's going to be a lot more expensive and it's going to add up big over time. ThriveCart is one of the most robust platforms and they're constantly investing in new updates. I've actually been on calls with the CEO of ThriveCart, personal one-on-one calls with me, like one-on-one Zoom calls with me. And they're amazing. The things that they are doing with this company is incredible. I am so excited of everything that they're doing. So like I said, I'll have the individual links for you down below in the description, but this sale is incredible. I am so excited for it. And if you want to see a detailed video of ThriveCart Standard versus ThriveCart Pro Plus and what the differences are, check out this video here.